always a satisfying job pulling out your side shoots. Welcome to Ebenezer Cottage Garden. My name's Lawrence, and you caught me today cowering away in the greenhouse because it's absolutely horrible out there. We've got wind and rain. It's been like that for most of July, but there is a nice little harvest out there for me to get, so I'm going to pop out there and see what I can pull out the ground for you later. But before that, we're heading over to a friend of mine, Amir from Amir's Allotment, and he's going to be harvesting some carrots.
Hello, my name is Amir from Amir's Allotment. Earlier this year, myself and Lawrence from Ebenezer Cottage Garden, we sowed some carrots in buckets. Lawrence used a method of sowing them in sand, and I sowed my carrots in a bucket full of molehill soil. So I'm going to now harvest those carrots, so let's see how they turn out. Wish me luck. So lots of foliage. Okay, so here's our first carrot. I know what sometimes helps is if you press them down a little bit and then lift them, they do sometimes come away a little bit easier. Okay. They are so tight in here, so compact. Okay, a nicer, longer one. This is really tough. These are not bad at all. If I thinned them out, we would have probably had a lot more room and more better sized carrots. But I'm impressed with that. These will be great. So let me give them a little bit of a clean, and then I'll give you a better look. So after giving these a good clean, not bad harvest at all. I'm happy with that. Not very many purple ones, just a few. There's a few more, but none of them got very big, and a lot of the orange and these whites too, which put on a decent size. The sun is setting behind me. This has been really good fun, so thank you for inviting me onto your channel, Lawrence, and hopefully we'll do something like this again soon.
Thank you so much, Amir. Those carrots look absolutely lovely, and if you haven't had a chance, head over to his channel and take a look at some of his videos. As you can see, I've got some lovely beetroot here, and the variety that I tend to grow is bolt hardy. I also grow the ones which are the candy cane striped choggia varieties too. I like those in salads. The bolt hardy I prefer to roast or pickle. My tomatoes are just starting to ripen up nicely, and this year I've made a real effort to focus more on Italian beefsteak and plum varieties. The aubergines look like they're just about to kick off, and I can tell that soon I'll have more than I can handle. Well, I couldn't let Amir have all the fun when it comes to carrots, so I thought I'd pull up a few of mine, and by the looks of them, I think you'd pay a fortune for these if you bought them at a market in Paris. And I must say the potatoes have been particularly good this year. This variety is Charlotte, a new potato that served me well. Do subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.